drag racing and a car meet. They finally started up the car meets in Sweden, or they did last week, but I could only go this week. So right now we're heading there, but we're gonna wash the car because it's dirty and you want to have a clean car on the car meet. Oh, last video.
Nice.
Water just disappeared. That's what a polish does. And this ceramic coat. Very good. We're done with the car meet. We're going to the race now. So yeah, it's gonna be sick. Hopefully there's a lot of people, but there's a bunch of cops on the way. They said they're trying to get people for speeding. So we're gonna take it easy, and then we'll meet you at the car meet. We're about to race while learning to drive, and that's kind of sick. Banger lineup. Got Audi, BMW, and my car. Straight right there. We're just gonna watch for a while.
The next day.
We're about to tune his front windows like he says. Now we're gonna
tint.
We're gonna tint his windows. Then it's easier to just mark it. I don't even know how to do it. remember. This is take one. We fucked up. I don't even know how to do this, but we're just trying our best. It's gonna be fun to see how this fucking looks. Yeah, I don't know. We watched a YouTube video, and you're supposed to cut it from the outside and then put it on the inside. We're just a little. But yeah, now let's cut it. I don't know where to start. How the fuck do you do this?
We're cooked.
That's Wait! Oh, no. It sticks! Look! Look at the corner! Look at the corner! Yeah, we should not be kids. Hey, call! No, 1-800 call for tints. If you want to have your windows tinted. We're professionals, as you can see. It turned out good, you know. This is the window we tinted. No, don't show that one. This is the window we tinted. So yeah, call us or go to our website, tintyourwindows.com. Yeah. So it turns out like this.
Shut your bitch ass up.
We moved on to washing the cars because we can't tint for shit. And this car is dirty. Come look at this. This is how it looks now. One side clean, one side looks like it has been in the jungle for 14 years. So yeah, he's just doing his wheels. They're looking clean. And they were dirty as hell. Look at that. Yeah, we're just enjoying the sun, bro. Yeah, we're gonna teach him how to polish now, so he can polish his car.
Shut your bitch ass up. I already know, bro.
Which aren't going away from, yeah, when you wash it. So he needs to polish it, wax it, use some compound. Yeah, we're gonna do that tomorrow. Whoa!
Huh?
Yo! Damn, that turned out sick. What do you think about the Maguire soap?
Good.
Yeah,
very good.
it's very good. It's not even sponsored. We're not sponsored, we just like it. It turns out very good. Alright boys, we're taking a trip. It's almost 4 in the morning. We got the suitcases. We're going to Czechia, going to Prague, drinking some beer, maybe going to a Skoda museum. We'll see what we do in this video, but yeah, as you can see, I'll see you at the airport. We made it to Prague, finally. And at check-in, you know, oh, we got a wine. We also drank some beers. But look at the view. I'll show you. Let me get the camera. Yeah, that's a nice view. 10th floor. We're going to the spa now. We're getting massages now. We haven't even slept yet. We've been up for how long now? I don't even know. But we're tired as hell, but after the massage, we're gonna go to sleep. And then we're gonna go party again. Look.
He's feeling it right now. Yeah, I'm excited as hell.
Boys, we were just at the beer spot and we got some souvenirs. It was super nice drinking beer. I drank 7. But look, we got this, a nice little Czech beer. I hope it's as good as the one we drank. I also asked if I could bring this home, the glass I drank from. Yeah, this is legendary. This is a souvenir if I've ever seen one. And to the most legendary thing, a certificate that I'm a good beer drinker. But yeah, how you like it, bro? You don't even drink beers, but do you like it?
It's alright, it's alright.
It's alright. But yeah, I loved it. 7 beers deep. The other boys drank 9 each, so we made profit. I'll just say that. But I recommend it. If you ever go to Czech, go to a beer spot.